Featuring the same gold powder-infused fine bristles as the Atomy toothbrush that flies off the shelves, microbubbles created by 35,400 sonic vibrations per minute gently yet powerfully eliminate plaque and tartar. The smart pressure detection sensor indicates optimal pressure, providing a stable and comfortable grip. A smart dental care that corrects unintentional excessive pressure while brushing, safeguarding teeth and gums from damage. The condition of your teeth and gums varies each day. Atomy Dental Sonic offers 4 customizable modes: clean for daily use, a white for use with whitening toothpaste, sensitive for a softer touch, and gum care for a gum massage, and 3 intensity levels to adapt to daily conditions, ensuring refreshing and delicate care. Dental Sonic's dry mode uses 10 seconds of intense vibration to dislodge bacteria and moisture, creating an optimal environment that is more effective in inhibiting bacterial growth than UV sterilization, fan drying, and heat drying methods. Safe for submersion and cleaning in the shower. Fully waterproof with IPX6 and IPX7 ratings, ensuring moisture resistance for confident and clean use anytime. Smart care for your teeth and gums without irritation. Atomy Dental Sonic.